Hey everybody, how you doing? Uncle Vinny here. You know what's coming up? That's right, Health Chat. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Everybody, I'm Dr. Nick Circle, and I am so excited to be here as always. This is going to be a special show. We're going to be talking about a lot of things today. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button so you can get videos as soon as they come out. And let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about CPAP machines. It's a continuous positive airway pressure. This is used for people with sleep apnea. Now, you're going to say, well, you know, I sleep fine. I don't have sleep apnea. Well, ask yourself a couple of questions. Number one, do you wake up tired? As the day progresses, do you feel tired? Do you feel like you have to take a nap in the middle of the day? Do you feel sluggish in the middle of the day? Have you had highs and lows during the day? Are there times when you just feel like, you know what, I just want to sleep? Or have you actually fallen asleep while watching television? These are things that are really serious and can be a part of sleep apnea. I personally, personal story, when my wife and I turned 60, my wife had just turned 57 years old. She started snoring. She was dealing with some of the changes of life issues, but one of them was snoring, and we were trying to figure out, why is she snoring? She never snored before. So looked it up, and going through your menopausal changes, you may deal with some sleep apnea. So we decided, hey, let's go to the doctor, find out what's going on. She went, so I decided, you know what, I'm going to go too. So we're there, and the doctor says, you know, I don't think you have any problems with that. You're not heavy. You don't have thick necks. I don't think that's going to be a problem, but we'll check it anyway. So we did a home sleep study. Now, this is important. A lot of times people think that, oh, I'm not going to get a sleep study. I have to go somewhere. I can't sleep in a strange place. No, you can actually have this done at home. There are several types. There is a one-night sleep study, and then there's a several-night sleep study. We took the one-night sleep study. I think if I were to do it again, I would probably do the three-night to get a better baseline to see where I actually am. But we went. And Kim went first. She slept with hers. The next day, we bring it back. And the next week, the doctor brings us in and says, hey, I got some news for you. Let's see what's going on. Well, Kim actually stopped breathing 13 times an hour, which was kind of mild. But she didn't have any change in her O2 levels. Now, that's important. We want to be careful that if you have sleep apnea, you're not dropping your O2. Because once you start dropping your O2, that can lead to other health issues. If you remember the football player Reggie White, he actually died because of heart arrhythmia, which was due to sleep apnea. So these are things that need to be checked out. And if you're not having it checked out, you need to. Well, then I went. I figured I'm good. So I take my sleep study, bring it back the next day, go back a week later, and I looked at the doctor. I said, Dr. Viscomi, I said, I'm doing great, right? He goes, no, you stopped breathing 28 times an hour, but what was worse was you stopped breathing and your O2 levels went down to 80. Well, that scared me. Dropping down to 80 was significant in my overall health. So we decided to get CPAP machines, and that's what this is. This is a CPAP machine. A lot of people don't like using them because they feel like they have to wear these giant masks that are over your face. Well, this is mine. This is just a small nasal cannula that goes under the nose like this. This goes over your head and down like this. I know this looks really silly. And this is a swivel, so I can lay on my side, I can lay on my back, I can roll over, and it doesn't affect anything. But it's giving me that positive pressure, opening up my airway, and my O2 is not dropping anymore. I feel more rested. I don't feel as sluggish as I did. The thing about this is, if you were to take something in my home, you could take everything, but you cannot take this. This has made a huge change in my life. And the reason why I'm bringing it up to my viewers is I want people that are dealing with possible sleep apnea to get checked, and if they do have sleep apnea, to get a CPAP machine. Most insurance companies cover CPAP machines. They cover the testing for the CPAP machines, and they cover all the supplies for the CPAP machines. Now, these are not inexpensive, I will tell you that. Now, this one actually ties up and goes to my phone, and that way I can monitor how well I've been doing. Well, I've been having less events. We'll call them events. You know, when I stop breathing 28 times an hour, it's called an event. Well, my events went from 28 times an hour to the most it's ever been was 6 times an hour. I usually average anywhere between 1 and 2, which is a huge difference. And not only is it better that I sleep, but I'm also able to do more things, and my heart rate has improved, my blood pressure has improved. All of these things have improved because of this machine right here. So if you're dealing with pressure problems when you're sleeping, you're snoring, you're gasping for air, you may not know that, but your partner will. And if you're dealing with other issues that may be related to sleep apnea, I urge you to get in contact with your physician, set up an appointment to have a sleep study done, find out where you are, and if you do need a CPAP machine, do not hesitate to get it. If you want, you can call any family doctor and have them order this. It doesn't necessarily have to be a sleep doctor to do this. You can have your family doctor do it. But if you would rather see a pulmonologist and have him do a whole sleep study, that's fine. But I urge you, if you have any symptoms that may be related to sleep apnea, please see your family doctor, see the pulmonologist, get tested, and if you are having sleep apnea events, get yourself a CPAP machine. This has been a short show, guys. We can go further into it, and I'll probably bring this in later on. But right now, I want you to remember, get tested. Have a great day. We love you, and we'll see you soon.
To our channel. Have you ever wondered how a simple device can revolutionize your sleep quality and overall health? Today, we're delving into a crucial topic for those with sleep apnea: CPAP machines. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with this condition, understanding the need and use of a CPAP machine can be a game changer, empowering you to take control of your sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a severe sleep disorder in which breathing stops and starts. It occurs because the muscles in the back of your throat relax too much to allow normal breathing. The most common type is obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. People with untreated sleep apnea often experience severe fatigue, daytime sleepiness, and an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. But there's hope. This is where CPAP machines come into play. CPAP, which stands for Continuous Positive Airway Pressure. It's designed to keep your airways open during sleep, ensuring you get the oxygen you need all night. The CPAP machine delivers a steady stream of air through a mask. This gentle air pressure keeps your airway from collapsing, providing a sense of relief and comfort and preventing the interruptions in breathing that characterize sleep apnea. There are various types of CPAP machines and masks. The most common masks are nasal mask. It covers the nose and is ideal for those who move around a lot in their sleep. Nasal pillow mask fits directly into the nostrils and is perfect for those who feel claustrophobic in full-face masks. Full face mask covers both the nose and mouth, suitable for mouth breathers. The benefits of using a CPAP machine are profound. Many users report improved quality of sleep, reduced daytime fatigue, lower blood pressure, enhanced overall quality of life. If you suspect you might have sleep apnea, we strongly encourage you to talk to your doctor. A sleep study can diagnose the condition. A CPAP machine could be the key to better sleep and health. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Seeking medical advice is crucial to managing your sleep apnea. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. Sweet dreams and good health.